now we have reached to the another spot at the zoo, and this is the Indian elephant that we are showing you. And also, in fact, the visitor are enjoying seeing these elephant. In fact, enjoying in water in this extreme heat, and from air coolers, in the enclosures, and frequent water showers to shaded resting areas and running water in pools. The zoo will take various measures to keep the animal comfortable in this summer. And also right now we are showing you how these elephants are taking bath in this pond, and they're enjoying this, keeping their body cool. And these series of summer cares measures to ensure the well-being of the animals are taking place in the zoo, with structures planned for different animal species, ensuring their comfort during the peak summer month. And as you can see, they have gone inside this pond, this water, to keep their body cool. And in fact, the visitors are carrying their umbrella to see this beauty, have come here, and will try to take your reactions also. Are you enjoying?
Yes, we're enjoying it's a bit hot, but she's enjoying for sure.
She's seeing an elephant for the first time, so it's exciting.
And it's extreme heat, the temperature is more than 40 degrees Celsius. So how you guys are managing, as the preparations are being taken for them also? So how you guys are managing?
It's just a lot of water and shade for her, I think. It's main effort for us, yeah. And her excitement, obviously.
Yes.
Yes.
So as you can see, the parents are carrying children. The school children, in fact, have come here for their school visit. So they are also wearing the caps. And
Yes, are you enjoying?
Ma'am, कैसे ध्यान रख रही हैं? How are you taking care of these children? It's extreme, too hot.
यस मैम, हॉट तो है बट हम इंजॉय कर रहे हैं. इंजॉय.
So there you can see, कैप लगा रहे हो, गर्मी लग रही है?
Yes.
और मजा आ रहा है घूम के?
Yes.
So there, these students, children, the visitor, in fact, have coming in large number at the zoo at this point of time, and they're also carrying umbrellas, wearing caps to protect themselves from the extreme heat. And there also you can see the elephant putting water, on its body to keep themselves cool in this extreme, extreme hot weather. And water pools will be filled, and in the entire day these water pools are being filled with water. And the while sprinklers will also be, has been installed at several places in this zoo, to in their shells also. So a lot of preparation being done. And also, as you can see, the visitors are enjoying at this point of time, and the arrangements are being done to battle with combat with the summer season. And all the preparations are being done, and everyone needs to take care of themselves in this summer season. I'm Arzu Seth with video journalist Avdesh for NewsX in Delhi.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.